this video, I am going to show you guys how you can make money by just clicking on ads. It's really simple, and keep in mind that one thing I do on my channel is that I just go straight to the point, right? I do not act like other channels that show you unnecessary steps, right? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to the site called adviev.com, adviev.com. It's really simple. Now I'm just going to tell you guys the advantages and disadvantages of this site. So you don't need any investment rather to start this, earning with this site. Is really straightforward. And one thing that caught my eye on this site is the minimum withdrawal, like 25 cents. That's really low. So compared to other sites that say $50 minimum withdrawal, 25 cents, not even up to $1, and you could withdraw your money. So it's really simple. They're telling you about their achievements, blah blah, but we're not here for that, right? So what you want to do to get started is click on sign up, as you guys can see here. So once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to this page. Now this is really straightforward. Registration page, first name, email, username, password, re-enter password, blah blah. Now the disadvantage of this site is that they don't support PayPal. As you guys can see here, there's no PayPal, but in today's world, almost everybody have Bitcoin, right? Or they know about Bitcoin. So you could use Bitcoin to receive your money. But other than that, it's really cool and simple. Now, I've done all that before, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to, log in to the site and then show you guys how you could start earning by just clicking on simple links. Like, it's really that easy. Just trust me. So one thing is that you're going to notice that once you log in, it's going to load like this. I don't know why it loads up like that, but it's just going to load up like this, and then it's going to give you a random advertisement. But you shouldn't worry. Just click on dashboard here, and once you click on dashboard, it's going to lead you into the main, should I call it member area? I think so. So this is the main member area, and as you guys can see, main balance, it's going to show you all your balance and blah blah stuff like that. But you don't need all of this, right? Just click on paid ads here and click on paid ads, and this is where the magic is going to happen inside of paid ads. So once you wait for paid ads to load up, as you guys can see, I want you guys to notice this section. So in this section, it says, in this section, your BAPs are converted to dollars. So one BAP or one BAP, whatever you want to call it, is equivalent to this amount of dollar, as you guys can see here. So as you guys can see, it says YouTube everywhere. Now what does this mean? It means once you watch one YouTube video, you're going to earn this amount that's highlighted in red color, right? So you can see there's a lot of offer. Like, there are a lot of offers, So imagine like what you could earn if you should just keep on watching just simple videos on YouTube. It's really easy. Now if you want to request withdrawal, it's right here, this big button. It's simple and you could get paid. Now I'm going to show you guys another site because this amount might be low for some people and you might want to double your income, right? So I'm going to show you guys another site. So the next site is called startclicks.com. This is really straightforward. Now the good thing about this site is that it has PayPal. It supports PayPal, which is really amazing, because PayPal is really popular. But yeah, once you get here, as you guys can see, another good thing is that you get paid instantly. So that's another good and great thing about this site. So what you want to do is, go ahead to the publisher section. You do not want to click on advertiser, but publisher. So click on start now, and it's going to take you to this page. Make sure you click on publisher sign up, and it's going to take you to this page once more. And now the annoying part of this site is that the sign up process is really long, which is annoying, but trust me, it's worth it, right? So the basic first name, last name, date of birth, where do you live, zip code, all this basic stuff, right? I'm not going to go through all of that because I don't want to waste your time and make the video long for no reason. So once you get all that done, I'm just going to sign in, right? Because I already have an account, and it's gonna give you this annoying, what's it called, a capture or whatever, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm just gonna sign in for you guys and show you how you could start earning with this site. It's really easy. I feel like this site is it's easier than the previous site that I showed you guys. It's easier than this site, right? It's more easier than this site. So anyways, let's get back to that site. Let's log in. So I'm currently logged in, as you guys can see, and as you can see here, I've done little work today. Not much, but as you guys can see, I have 0.09 on my balance, which is what I earned from today. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money here. Scroll down, click on pay-per-click ads. It is really simple. I told you this site is more simpler than the last one, right? So click on pay-per-click ads and boom, you're here. Now these are where you're going to be earning money from. Click on this ad. It's really simple. All these are adverts, right? So if you click on all this, like click, once it opens up, you are going to get paid. It's going to be in your balance. So this site it's more straightforward than the other one because you just click links, you don't watch videos, right? So yeah, it's really easy. Now if you have money and you want to cash out, just go up here and click on payout and boom, you are going to get paid. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I do this on my channel. I look for ways for you to make money online and make the videos short. So make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, if you guys enjoy my videos, I'll catch you on another one.